Hello dear student, today I am going to describe about a very interesting thing, that is the types of the hyperlink. In HTML there are three types of hyperlink: external hyperlinking, internal hyperlinking and email hyperlinking. Three categories of hyperlinking we can use in web page. So external hyperlinking, internal hyperlinking and email linking I will describe through this web page. This web page I have made about wildlife in India, and this is the first heading. Then the second heading, national parks around India. Then the main heading, list of national parks in India. Then one paragraph is given about the national parks and their surface area in India, and after that some links are there. National park definition: what is national park, in which act of amendment national parks were made and maintained. Then some important and famous national parks like Jaldapara National Park, Jim Corbett National Park, Kaziranga National Park, Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park. These four internal links or internal hyperlinkings are made. Contact in email: this is the mail hyperlink or mail link, it is created. And I'm showing you the effect. If you click on national park definition, you can see that a hand symbol is coming, so it is the hyperlink, but it is internal hyperlink. If you click here, you will move to the definition of the national park, and that is within the same web page. Let me show you the main web page. This is the main web page I'm showing you, and the web page is a lengthy web page which contains many information. Okay, so now you can see this is the entire web page you can see. Now one problem is that we cannot see the entire content of the web page at once. So I have made the internal hyperlinkings, so that if we click on any internal link, we will move to that part of the web page, as we cannot see or enter part of the web page at once. So first, national park definition. If you click on the first internal link, we'll move to the national park definition and the map of India where national parks are established. We can get back, and next, Jaldapara National Park. If you click here, you can see we are moved to the same web page, but we are moved to the part of the web page that is Jaldapara National Park, the definition and picture. And again we get back to the main part, Jim Corbett National Park. If we click Jim Corbett National Park, then Jim Corbett National Park, the part of the web page is coming. This is the third internal linking. We are going back to the main part of the web page, Kaziranga National Park. If we click on the fourth hyperlink, fourth internal link, we will move to the another part of the same web page, Kaziranga National Park, which is in the same web page. We are going at the beginning of the web page. Again we are clicking Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park. If we click here, we will move to the Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park. This is the part of the same web page. We are going back to the first part of the web page. So you can see these five linkings are internal hyperlinkings that move us to the various part of the same web page, as we cannot see the same web page content, all the contents together. So if you click here, we will move to this part of the web page where definition is written. If you click on Jaldapara National Park, we will move to the Jaldapara National Park, this part of the same web page. If you click on the Jim Corbett National Park, we come into this part of the same web page where Jim Corbett National Park description is given. Then we click on the Kaziranga National Park. We come into the Kaziranga National Park, the part of the web page, same web page. And if you click on this part, the last internal linking, we will move to the last part of the same web page. And if you click on this contact in email, if you click here, one Microsoft Outlook will open, from where you can open your email account, and through the email account you can connect. So again I'm showing you this part. If you click on here, contact in email, this is the email linking. If you click on the email linking, the email software will open. Here you can see, through this software you can open the emails. So this web page is linked through the internal linkings that is described here, and one email linking. And you can go to the last of the web page. Here you can see it is written, click here for wild animal reservation pics, click here for wild birds reservation pic. So if you click here, you will move to the another web page. From the main web page, we have moved to the another web page. This is the external linking, the first external linking. Again we are going back. Again we are going to the last. Click here for wild birds reservation pic. If you click here, you go to the second web page, that is the another web page. So this is the second external hyperlink. So this we have made. So now I'm going back to the main coding of this web page. So let's start with the thing. So first of all, this is the main web page. Here HTML tag is used. After that, within the head tag, I have given title, that is www.wild.com. That is the title. After that, H1 we have given two headings. So you can easily see two headings are there. H1 heading size, center tag is given, underline tag is given, U tag, and bold tag, B tag is given. After the wildlife in India, this first heading is given, and after that ending B tag, ending U tag, ending center tag, and ending H1 tag is given. After that, second heading is used. Second heading structures are same like the first heading, but the heading size is H2. And after that, head part is completed. Now we are coming into the body part. That is the main important. In the body part, as a background, we have set picture9.jpg. That is the green color background. So if I am going back to the web page, you can see a green color background is coming of the web page, which is very similar to the concept of forest where we see the greeneries. So this is there. So now the picture 9 is set as the background of the web page. After that, we need to write the paragraph. You can see the list of National Park of India, this heading, and after that this paragraph we should write. So you can see that H1 tag is used, then center tag, then font tag, font color is blue, and size is 10 is used. And here we have written list of national parks in India, and then it is completed with font tag, center tag, and H1 tag. This heading we have given under the head part. So after that, we have, after this part, you can see this part. This is the heading we have given within the body part, and the heading is list of national parks in India. After this, we have added a paragraph. The paragraph is added with the P tag. P tag means paragraph tag. So starting P tag we have given, then we have written something about the national park in India. Okay. After that, the P tag is ended. Okay. After that, we have written the fast internal linking. Now I'm telling you about the internal linking. Now you can see the internal linking is done with the anchor tag A tag, but here hash symbol is used, which specifies the particular block, named block within the same web page. So now I'm starting the how to create the internal hyperlink or internal linking within the same web page. So a tag is used, anchor tag is used, after that ref attribute is used, then you have to write equal, and then within the double quotes you need to write hash. Hash means you are mentioning a label, a named space within the same object, and the name of the space is np. So np is the name of a block, name of a part of the web page where you will move if you click on national park definition, this linked sentence, and then the first internal linking is completed with ending a tag and ending br tag. So here we have created the first internal linking with the help of a tag and ref attribute, and within the ref attribute we have written hash np. Hash means the particular part or block of the same web page where which name is np. So student, please give me 1 minute. So now the part of the web page is np, that is the name of the part of the web page, or that is the name of the section of the same web page, that is mentioned by hash, and np is the name of the part or name of the space of the same web page where we will move if we click on national park definition, this hyperlinked sentence. And then the same internal linking structure we have used for the rest of the linkings. Here you can see Jaldapara National Park. So it is the second hyperlinked sentence, and you can see the second internal hyperlinking we have made by a tag and then ref attribute, then equal to within the double quotes hash np1. So np1 is the name of the part of the same web page where we will move if we click on Jaldapara National Park, this sentence, and it is completed with ending a tag, ending br tag. Same Jim Corbett National Park, this is the third internal linked sentence. This is the third internal linking where it is created by a tag, ref attribute equal to within the double quotes hash np2. So hash indicates the part of the web page whose name is np2, and we will move to that part if you click on Jim Corbett National Park, this hyperlinked sentence. Again, the fourth internal hyperlinking we have done. Same internal hyperlinking structure is used, but here the part of the web page, the name is np3, where we will move if you click on the Kaziranga National Park. And the last internal linking we have created for Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park. Same a tag is used, ref attribute is used, and hash np4 means the part of this same web page whose name is np4. We will move to that part if we click on Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park, and it is ended by ending a tag. And after that we have created a email linking, and email linking is created by a tag and ref attribute, and here one keyword is used, that is mail to. Mail to keyword is used within the ref attribute within the double quotes where it is written mail to colon, and then you have to give one email ID. I have written wildlifeindia@gmail.com. So like this you need to create the a tag. I'm telling again, a tag is given, ref attribute is given. Within the ref attribute you need to write within the double quotes mail to this keyword colon wildlifeindia@gmail.com. This is the email ID, and then double quote is finished, a tag is finished. Then you write some content for your email linking, that is contact in email, and then your this email linking is completed with ending a tag and ending b tag. So like this we have completed. After that we have added two pictures of on the web page, and two pictures will be reflected. If you see this, after creating 5 internal linkings and 1 email linkings, 2 pictures are coming, that is coming obviously from any one of the India's national parks. And after that we are going back to the main coding. Now we need to create the named block or the named part of the same web page. So now for the internal linking you need to write again a tag, and name is the keyword which is used to create the particular block or particular part of the same web page where we will be moved if we click to a particular internal hyperlinking. So here a tag is used, after that name attribute is used, then we have written equal to np. So np, this is the name of this part of the web page where we have written the definition of the national park and the description of the national park along with one image, and the same image tag is used, img src india map.png with 700 and height 400 and border 5. So this is the part I'm highlighting. This is the part of the web page. This is the entire part of the, this is the part of that particular web page whose name is np. So this part is named by np with the help of a tag, and the structure is a name equal to np. So this is the part, named block of the same web page where we will moved if we click on this part, national park definition. And you can see that if I'm going back to the main web page, if I'm click national park definition, we will move to the this part of the web page, and this part of the web page has the name np internally. So now this is the part we have done. Then the second part, the second block, the second section of the same web page we have created about Jaldapara National Park. But here you can see this part has the name that we have given by a tag, same a name equal to within the double quotes np1. So np1 is the name of this part of the web page, and in this part we will move if we click on this Jaldapara National Park internal linking, because in this internal linking we have used hash np1. So if we click here, we will move to the np1, this block of the, this part of the same web page. Same, the next part we have created for the Jim Corbett National Park. This part of the same web page is having a name that we have given by a tag, a name equal to np2. So this part of the web page has a name np2, and we will be moved here by clicking the third internal link, that is Jim Corbett National Park. And you can see the same thing here, hash np2 is given. Now after Jim Corbett National Park, the second last part of the web page we have made for the Kaziranga National Park, and this part of the web page is having the name np3. How we have given? We have used a tag, then name equal to np3. After this we have mentioned the entire part of Kaziranga National Park. So Kaziranga National Park, this part of the web page has a name np3, and we will be moved here in this part if we click on the internal linking, the fourth internal linking. Kaziranga National Park, where we have mentioned the section name NP3. Section name means the part name or the section name of the same web page, where Kaziranga National Park description is there. And the last one is for Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park, and you can see that in this part of the web page has a name NP4. And how we have given? We have used same A tag and name attribute. Within the name attribute we have written NP4. So this is the last part of the web page whose name is NP4, given by the name keyword and A tag. And we will be moved here if we click on the fifth internal linking, that is Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park, where we have mentioned the part name, the section or the part of the website web page name NP4. And about the email linking I have already told. So now this is the thing. And after all, we are using the last one but not the least, that is the external linking. How we have created the external linking? First we have used font tag, then say B tag, then center tag. B tag color is black and size is 5. That means for external linking we are creating one sentence. The sentence size, the letter size will be 5, color will be black, and it will be reflected at the center. And how to create the external linking? Previously I have already told. A tag is used, ref attribute is used. Now within the ref, the another web page name we will mention here, to which we will be moved if we click on this sentence. So here within the A tag we have written ref, within the ref we have written animals.html. So this is the first external linked web page where we will be moved if we click here for wild animal reservation pics. And this linked sentence is completed with ending A tag, ending center tag, ending B tag, ending font tag. The second external hyperlinking is done with the sentence click here for wild bird reservation pics. The same hyperlinking, external hyperlinking tag structures are used, but here you can see within the A tag, within the ref attribute, we have written birds.html. That means the second linked web page will be birds.html. And if we get back, we can see that at the last of the web page, two external linkings are there. If you click on the first external linking, you will be moved to the first linked web page, that is the another web page. That means we are moving from one particular web page to the another web page, that means external hyperlinking. Again we are going back, and then we are clicking on the second external hyperlinking. We are moved to the second part, second web page from the main web page. From this main web page we are going back to the second web page, that is the second external hyperlinking. So once again I'm showing you the effect of internal hyperlinking, email linking and external linking. First, here we have 5 internal linkings. We click on national park definition, we move to the part of this same web page where definition and the map of India is given, where national parks are situated. We are going back to the main first part of the web page, Jaldapar National Park. This is the second internal linking. If we click here, we will move to the part of the same web page where about Jaldapar National Park descriptions are there and pictures are there. And again we are going back to the beginning of the web page where we have written Jim Corbett National Park. This is the third internal linking. We click here and we move to the Jim Corbett National Park, this part of the web page by internal linking. And then the fourth internal linking, Kaziranga National Park. If you click here, we move to this part of the same web page where about Kaziranga National Park is written and picture is given. And the last internal linking, Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park. If we click on the fifth internal linking, we will move to this last part of the web page where Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park, this description and picture is given. And if we go back to the beginning of the web page, here contact in email, this is the email linking or mail linking. If we click here, we will move to the software that allows us to open the email ID through which we can communicate. So from this main web page, we are moving to the emails. So it is the email hyperlinking or email linking. And at the last of this part, you can see that the first external hyperlinking is there with the sentence, click here for wild animals pig. If you click here, we will go back to the, we will be moved to the first external linked web page about the wild animal sanctuary. And if we click on the second external hyperlinking, then we will move to the second external linked web page. Okay, so this is all about. If you click again, I'm showing you again, if we click on the first external hyperlinking sentence, we'll move to the first external linked page. We get back to the main web page. If you click on the second external hyperlinking sentence, you will be moved to the second linked web page. We're going back to the main web page. So this is all for this class. Thank you all the students.